Greetings, everyone. My name is David Koffer, and I'll be teaching you an application called DocuScope, which is used in the digital humanities for reading and interpretation large volumes of text all at once. We're going to do an assignment which involves the data set that I call the monotheism data set, which includes the New Testament, the Hebrew Bible, the Hebrew Bible, and the Quran. Greetings, everyone. My name is David Koffer, and I'll be your teacher for part of this class in Methods of Digital Humanities. And we'll be talking about Greetings, everyone. My name is David Koffer, and I'm here to help with an assignment that Dr. Wajdi is giving on text analysis using DocuScope. DocuScope is a tool used for reading and writing and interpreting large collections of text all at once. We're going to have, I hope, a fun assignment. We're going to be dealing with all the texts of the Quran, the verses of the Quran, the verses of the New Testament, and the verses of the Old Testament. We're going to ask a very fundamental question as how does the Quran differ from the Bibles, the Hebrew and the Christian Bible that preceded it? Many scholars have offered answers to this question, and we will not have time or scope or space to, or wisdom to elucidate all the possible answers to that question. But the idea of this assignment is to give you a good idea of how the digital humanities can help answer some aspects of that question in a very rigorous and scientific way. So to start, you should be looking at your DocuScope folder, the folder that contains the tool, and I'm sure Dr. Wajdi has provided that tool for you, and what we call the monotheism data set. The monotheism data set contains all 114 verses of the Quran. Now this is all in English, by the way, because DocuScope really analyzes English, and hopefully, inshallah, we'll also have an Arabic DocuScope soon. Here's the New Testament verses, the Old Testament verses, and they're all divided by chapter and verse. We also have a dummy file that you'll need to open up all of this data in DocuScope. So hopefully you'll catch up, and you'll catch up with where I am now. And I'm going to stop this video, and we're going to proceed with a new video, assuming that this is all in place. So take your time and get the setup exactly as you see on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next video.